Our motto is the standard of comparison since 1885. If you're number one in quality, how do you make sure you stay there? Because when you're number one, everybody's coming after you.
So at Belton Brick, we have three pillars, our guiding principles. Those are customer satisfaction, quality, and continuous improvement. So we try to look at these processes with fresh eyes every day and stay current on all the technologies that are available.
Belton Brick has a really stringent quality management system. We're checking our raw material in the pits, we're checking extrusion process. By the time that brick is in a cube delivered to the job, it's really going to be a high quality product.
We unload the kiln cars, we grade the product, we take multiple pallets of brick, blend them together.
I love the fact that they're pre-blended, that you can just take one strap instead of multiple straps to get the blend right.
Belton Brick strives to be the highest quality brick in the industry. We're trying to make sure that the cube delivered to the customer follows all the standards, but also provides the style that they're looking for, whether that's old world style or a new, more modern design.
With today's technology, we've taken the best of the old and brought it into the new and provided a product now that was better than we've ever made before.
The measurements are true, the heights are true, you don't got to question it. With the Belton Brick, you just get the consistency you're looking for every time.
At the end of the day, Belton Brick really wants the customer to be happy. We want to make sure that that building is something that you're proud of.
With the Belton product, it makes my job a lot easier.